Equatorial Guinea is a small but geopolitically significant country in Central Africa. It consists of a mainland region called Río Muni and several islands, including Bioko, where the capital city, Malabo, is located. Here's a detailed overview of Equatorial Guinea. Geography. Equatorial Guinea is bordered by Cameroon to the north, Gabon to the south and east, and the Gulf of Guinea to the west. Its unique geographic setup includes both mainland territories and island regions, with Bioko Island being the most significant due to its political and economic importance. The climate is tropical, with both a wet and dry season, and the landscape ranges from coastal plains to dense rainforests and volcanic formations, particularly on Bioko Island. History. Historically, the area was influenced by several African ethnic groups and traded extensively with Europeans along the coast. The Portuguese discovered the islands in the 15th century and eventually ceded them to Spain in 1778. The mainland region of Río Muni later became a Spanish protectorate. Equatorial Guinea gained independence from Spain on October 12, 1968. The post-independence period has been marked by political instability and authoritarian rule. Politics. Equatorial Guinea is known for its authoritarian political system under President Teodoro Obiang Nguema Mbasogo, who has been in power since 1979 after ousting his uncle in a military coup. The country is nominally a multi-party constitutional republic, but elections have been widely criticized for lack of fairness and transparency. Political power is heavily centralized in the president's hands. Economy. The discovery and exploitation of significant oil reserves in the 1990s transformed Equatorial Guinea into one of sub-Saharan Africa's largest oil producers, significantly impacting its economy. Despite the wealth generated from oil, the country struggles with vast inequality, and much of the population remains in poverty without access to basic services. Efforts to diversify the economy beyond oil have been limited. Culture. Equatorial Guinea's culture reflects a blend of native ethnic traditions, Spanish colonial influence, and modern elements. Spanish is the official language, making it one of the few Spanish-speaking countries in Africa. Portuguese and French are also official languages, reflecting broader regional influences. Music, dance, and oral storytelling are significant cultural expressions. Cuisine. The cuisine of Equatorial Guinea typically includes tropical fruits, vegetables, and meats such as chicken, fish, and goat. Staple foods are plantains, cassava, and rice, often served with spicy sauces or stews. Challenges. The country faces significant challenges, including political repression, corruption, and human rights abuses. Economic inequality is stark, with oil wealth benefiting a small elite while much of the population lacks access to basic healthcare and education. Tourism. Tourism in Equatorial Guinea is minimal, hindered by a lack of infrastructure and the difficult political climate. However, the country offers lush rainforests, beautiful coastlines, and volcanic landscapes that have potential tourist appeal. Despite its wealth in natural resources, Equatorial Guinea continues to grapple with profound social and political issues that affect its development and the quality of life of its citizens.